So today we are putting this pan sent by Vinod Cookware to test. One pan, 3 recipes, 0 complaints. Honestly, अगर मेरी लाइफ भी इतनी नॉन-स्टिक होती ना, तो प्रॉब्लम्स भी स्लाइड होके निकल जाती. Welcome back to Culinary Heritage by Devika, where health food meets proper घर का taste and sometimes meets my husband's expectations also. Just sometimes. Today's star dish is Palak Paneer Dosa with tomato onion chutney. South Indian vibes, North Indian soul, and full Desi family approval stamp. This dosa is green, protein rich, iron loaded, and yet tastes like something you would happily eat even on a cheat day. Basically, healthy food that doesn't feel like punishment. And now we begin with 4 hours soaked 1 cup of green moong dal and half cup of rice. Now a quick pause. If you're wondering why my hands look extra decorated today, yes, mehndi lagai hai. And yes, my husband's name is written on it because when I apply mehndi, he's happy. When his name is on it, he's extra happy. और जब खाना अच्छा हो, full marks, bonus points and lifetime validation. Moving on to cooking, we warm some water and add a bunch of palak. Blanch it just for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, straight into ice cold water. This step is very important, वरना palak का color goes from fresh green to कल का sabzi green. Cold water locks the color. Now into the mixer, first the soaked moong dal and then the rice. I have used idli rice but honestly जो rice घर पे हो वही superstar है. Now squeeze the palak between your palms like you're politely telling it बस अब पानी छोड़ दो. Add the palak which is rich in iron, fiber and all those things doctors keep telling us to eat but we keep ignoring, and then our flavor squad also joined in. Some curry leaves, chopped ginger, cumin seeds, green chilies, black peppercorns, salt and water as needed. This batter is protein rich, gluten free and perfect if you're bored of plain dosa. Time to grind it into a smooth batter. Basically how we want our mornings to be, but they never are. Look at this consistency. This is what we want. Flowy, smooth and confident. Now we let our palak dosa batter rest while we prepare for paneer dosa masala. This honeycomb pattern is not just for looks. The pan gives consistent heat, so the masala cooks evenly without burning. As it's already on test, we will know the outcome shortly. This pan does not require much oil for cooking. After oil went in hing, broken red chilies, mustard seeds, split urad dal, curry leaves, chopped ginger and chopped green chilies. And once the kitchen starts smelling like something exciting is about to happen, in go the chopped onions. Add some salt for faster cooking. We cook them till they are translucent, not brown, not caramelized, just soft and ready. And now comes the paneer. I like breaking paneer with my hands because I enjoy a mix of textures. Some pieces small, some chunky, just like personalities in a joint family. We mix gently and cook for only 2 minutes. Overcooking paneer is a crime. We want flavor, not paneer bhurji in disguise. By the way, everything you have seen so far, blanching, sauteing, mixing, has happened in the single pan. And now that our masala is ready and resting, it's time to prepare for our tomato onion chutney. We roughly chop onions and tomatoes. No need to be precise, this is not an exam. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, please like this video, share it with someone who says healthy food is boring. And please subscribe to the channel because here we cook real food, talk honestly and keep things fun. Moving on, same pan again, washed, obviously. Throw in some oil in the pan. Add whole Guntur red chilies. Whole chilies are for flavor. You can add it as per your choice. Then went mustard seeds, a sprig of curry leaves, split urad dal, chopped ginger and garlic and some whole green chilies. Saute it for about 2 minutes. This tempering already smells like Sunday morning happiness. Once the tempering looks slightly brownish, it's time to add our chopped onions. Our onions are roughly chopped. We do not have to overcook them. Add some salt and just when it gets translucent, add the tomatoes. This chutney stays good in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Yes, it's a meal prep win, unless someone in the house discovers it early. To make it tangier, we add a spoon of tamarind paste. We don't want our onion and tomatoes to be fully mushy. They should be soft but still hold their identity. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Looks like this Vinod Intelligent Saspro pan heats evenly, releases food easily, and honestly makes multitasking in the kitchen much simpler. Once it is ready, we transfer the tomato onion mixture to the grinder. Once cooled, this is ground into a thick chutney. I personally don't add water because I love a bold, thick chutney, but you can adjust it as per your taste. This chutney is so amazing and is super easy to make. Now let's quickly move on because dosa batter is waiting. Same pan again because this pan clearly enjoys attention. Thanks to the Saspro surface, spreading of the dosa batter was smooth and stress-free. Sprinkle some ghee and let it cook on low flame. If you're curious about the pan or any other cookware I have used in this video, you'll find the product links in the description below. Feel free to check them out whenever you need an upgrade. Now let's quickly move on. Once the dosa is cooked, a generous spoon of paneer masala is added. And look at that release. No sticking, no tearing, no silent prayer needed. I am making another dosa because my husband has this special talent. He can finish one dosa and still look hungry. Technically, this is the second dosa, but emotionally, this is still the first one. Because it is healthy, we can safely pretend that the second dosa doesn't count. And when food releases like this, you know the pan is doing its job. 2 dosas later, we plate everything up. Bold chutney, green dosa, creamy paneer filling, proper balance. Just like a good marriage. Thoda adjustment, zyada understanding. So by now you know it's healthy, filling and comforting. Office tiffin approved, family approved, and my husband has already asked, क्या तुम ये कल फिर बनाओगी? This is the moment where everyone in the house goes quiet. Because talking can wait, but this bite cannot. Crispy dosa, soft paneer and that chutney on top. Proof that good food doesn't have to look sad to be nutritious. This is the kind of food that makes you pause mid-bite and nod slowly. Because your mouth is busy, but your heart is impressed. And now, please pause the video and save the screen. Until next time, cook with love, eat without guilt, and let your pan do half the work. Bye.